Bubbles?
Who that?
Me, Carlton.
Sir.
Bubbles, me need your help. Them take with Tiffany and I'm for $20 ransom.
Hold on. Who you say them take now?
Tiffany. Marcus, well, my daughter, no. Michelle's daughter.
Carlton, have a seat. Have a seat. Cause you need for but understand your colorful family ties.
Now is not the time to be sarcastic, Bubbles. You either go help me or you not help me.
Alright. Explain. Tell me what happened.
Well, she did there for a couple months. But when the whole thing bust out, say, me and her father, she decided to go back. And we don't hear from her till a couple nights ago. We get some picture and a video and a message that asks for 20 million US ransom.
So you have the pictures and the videos?
Yeah.
You know who carry her go airport?
Well, our mother say our boyfriend. The youth named Kareem, a Quickfoot cousin. But Michelle no want Marcus know about that.
Why?
Him never approve of the relationship and him go antagonize the youth and make him bodyguard beat him up.
You know the youth?
No. But Bubbles, where them question how them question are relevant?
Carlton, we have to make sure there is concrete evidence before we rule out anybody say them did involve.
Well, that's true still.
So, what kind of state of mind the mother and father, mother and uncle, in it?
Well, Michelle have a nervous breakdown and Marcus gone into depression.
Them report it?
Marcus don't want to report it because with everything we're going with him and the party, and him plan to put some overseas agent on the case.
So what you need me for?
Bubbles, you have links. Plus you in the force. And you look like a Jamaican airport you get taken away from. I'm trust you more than I trust some overseas agent.
You know if you have any other friend out here apart from our boyfriend?
Yeah.
What happened?
Our best friend. Our best friend knock her out one day, you know, and tell Libo should drop in a bathroom.
Why?
Jealousy if you ask me. That's how me get from the time me did it.
Well, at least we have somewhere to start from. You know where the friend live?
Yeah.
That means we need to start right there.
Okay.